Lobsters can occasionally be found in intertidal areas, but generally they prefer deeper water of 10 to 50 metres. They're most commonly found on rocky seabeds which provide holes and crevices for the lobsters to hide in. Personally, I find the best time to go looking for lobsters is on a low tide. You can go on a high tide, but going on a low tide means you don't have to dive as deep to find them.
Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how.
By tapping the muzzle of the gun at the entrance of the lobster hole, you can entice them out quite easily. This one was a legal size, but I was sure there was larger ones around, so I kept looking. There's a number of agreed measures put in place by many fisheries in an attempt to maintain lobster numbers. These include minimum size limits, rules to always return buried, i.e. egg-carrying lobsters, and a system where notches are cut into the tail of a female lobster at peak breeding age, and agreeing not to keep these lobsters until the notches have fully grown out.
Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind?
As mentioned on the Spearfishing UK website, the lobsters live in inaccessible spots and they spend hours choosing their most defensible lairs. As a freediver on a single breath, we can have a hard time finding them and successfully luring them out to catch. Be sure to check out their website for more information on catching lobsters.
Baby, show me how. Make you mine. Make you mine. Baby, show me how.
I took the spear off the gun and used it as a hook to help get the lobster out. As you can see here, I missed it a few times, and after about 20 minutes of me trying to get it out, the lobster was tiring and opened up a chance for me to grab it.